With Mayor LaToya-Cantrell now under federal indictment, accused of fraud, conspiracy, and covering up her alleged crimes, all eyes shift to federal courts as everyone waits to see how these 11 charges play out against her.
Yeah, investigative reporter Mike Pearlstein spoke with 2 legal experts about what to expect.
A date has not yet been set, but in the coming days, Mayor LaToya-Cantrell will be summoned to court for the next steps in the criminal case against her and her former police guard and alleged romantic partner, Jeffrey Vappy. With the mayor keeping a very low profile recently, her very next public appearance might be right here at the United States Federal Court. Both Cantrell and Vappy will have to appear for an initial appearance that will include an arraignment and most likely a bond hearing. But given the mayor's job, former federal magistrate Danny Knowles doesn't believe the government will move for pretrial lockup or even a high bail.
I can't imagine that detention would be an issue in this case.
While the early steps in the case will proceed like any other federal case, look for dramatic differences also. For example, restricting the mayor's travel might not be feasible given her duties as mayor.
This case is a bit different from some of the others. I mean, let's face it. The circumstances are unusual. The mayor's, the fact that one of the defendants is the mayor, that's unusual.
But like most cases, there will be, and probably already has been, plea discussions.
Generally speaking, the attorneys for the defendants and the U.S. attorneys will have had discussions long before we get to this point of initial appearances and arraignments.
Loyola law professor Dane Cialino agrees.
I'm sure that defense counsel and the U.S. attorneys have talked about the possibility of a plea deal pre-indictment, but obviously, they weren't able to do it. No doubt they've been talking about those possibilities for the last year.
But for now, look for the next step to be Cantrell's official plea of not guilty. Mike Pearlstein, WWL, Louisiana.
And just like Friday when the indictment was announced, neither Cantrell nor her defense attorney offered a comment.